Khairan Sheikh, a sister wants to know that she was praying and in the last rak'ah she thought she doesn't have wudu, so she left her imam, and then she didn't rejoin and she realized I've got wudu, and then basically she didn't rejoin the imam and she's prayed 4 rak'ah from the beginning. She's saying, should she have prayed 1 rak'ah? And I guess she's asking, should she have joined?
You're confusing me, Ahmad. Wallahi, if you're confused,
Is a
back and forth, I can't understand the question.
Yeah, so she said that she was praying and in the last rak'ah she thought she had no wudu, so she left the imam, believing they didn't make wudu before salah. Then they realized
who's they?
This person praying behind the imam, this sister, she thought she had no wudu, so she left the imam.
Okay, but he said believing they.
This person basically believing. She believed.
Okay, she believed, yes.
So then she didn't rejoin the imam, and then she realized she had made wudu, but by then she'd missed the prayer. So should she pray 4 rak'ah or 1 rak'ah that she missed?
Yeah, once she makes the intention to invalidate, she invalidated the prayer. That's it. She came out of the prayer, she invalidated the prayer. All right.